Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee espresso machine. Here we have a Zacconi baby lasso that is, believe it or not, 28 years old. Owner really takes care of his unit. He brought it in because excuse me, there was some leaks around the top of the steam wand. So while we had it, we just replaced all gaskets and gave her a full-fledged tune-up. That's replacing the sight glass, replacing gaskets here in the brew group, the base of the machine. And now she's working like a charm, so bear with me. If you don't see a lot of espresso coming out of the group head, it's probably because our ground is too fine. And with machines, these manual lever machines, it takes a bit of fine-tuning to find the perfect coarseness or fineness to your coffee to get the shot that you need. But let's just go ahead and show you that the unit is working. Lift the lever, let water into the group head, and now let's push her on down through, and there you have it. So it's coming out not too smooth, but as you can see there's good crema, which means the coffee is hot enough. Let me move this over. So as you can see, the unit is working, and again, no leaks up here. So this is up to the owner of the unit to find that ideal coarseness to the coffee. But while we're here, let's also show that the steam wand is working with no leaks. And there you have it. Lovely steam. And again, no leaks up here. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.